Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chung Social Tools channel. Today, I will introduce the seeding functions feature and show you how it works. As you can see on the screen, the software is controlling multiple accounts to automatically like and comment on the posts of a specific profile. To run this feature, you only need to choose the accounts you want to use for interaction. For example, I selected several accounts and added them into a sub-account list to automatically send friend requests, like posts, and leave comments. This helps increase interaction for the main accounts. These below are the sub-accounts, and you can use the seeding profile feature to interact with any target profile you need. The first step is to get the UID of the target account. You can visit the profile page, copy the URL, and convert it to a UID using the id.trayodoysub website. After that, just paste the UID into the software. Now, I'll go back to the seeding function section, and as you can see, it's already running. Before starting the process, we need to prepare the comment content for the bot. In the Content Management tab, I have already created multiple contents, including a seeding content group. It might look like only one text, but it actually contains 50 different contents using spin syntax, separated by the vertical bar symbol. This structure allows us to generate many comments quickly. You can also add images or videos if needed. Just click Add Post, select the content category, choose Comment or Seeding. Then enter the title and the content. Now I'll return to the Seeding tab. It is currently running with multiple accounts. I have entered 3 UIDs, which are the main target accounts mentioned earlier. In the Settings section, each account will interact with 3 UIDs, and the bot will like and comment on the first 4 posts of each profile. There are also optional settings such as follow, add friend, and random reactions. After finishing the setup, simply choose the accounts and set the number of threads. For example, with 15 threads, 15 accounts will work at the same time. The tool is working well, and all interactions are clearly logged, including likes, comments, and profile activities. This feature helps your accounts gain more interaction and reach more potential customers. The process is halfway done, and to keep the video short, I will open the seeding accounts to check the results. I will copy the UID, open Facebook, paste it into the URL, and access the profile. Then, I will go to Account Management and log in to check the notifications. As you can see, there are many notifications including friend requests and reactions, which means the seeding process is working successfully. Now I will check the main posts. All of them received comments based on the content we set earlier. Every post has likes and comments from multiple accounts, just as planned. That's the full demonstration of the seeding function and how to interact automatically with target accounts. If you need automation tools for Facebook or Instagram, feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.